welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much. Give us a thumbs up if you like our video, and drop us a comment on what kind of video you'd like to see. So today guys, I want to show you how to make pancakes, how I make my pancakes. So it's a simple recipe, simple ingredients, and hope you enjoy this video. So let's get started. So guys, let's do this. First, I have my self-raising or mandazi flour or flour. Yes, I think. It has baking already, so I don't need to add baking. I have my sugar here. I have my eggs. I have my lemon. I have my margarine, because I don't have butter, so I'll use this, and have my grater for the lemon and my milk. So first of all, you start by mixing the liquid or the wet ingredients. So I'll start by pouring my milk into my bowl. And have so I added my butter or margarine. Then I go in with my lemon. So for the lemon, just grate like the peels. The peel. Peel sounds so bad. Peel. So I like using a lemon because I don't like the smell of eggs. It makes me want to puke, so I use a bit of lemon to just like kill the smell. So make sure you just do the peels, guys. Don't grate till the first layer, the white one, because it's super bitter. It might spoil the pancakes. So that is it, guys. Don't also want to do too much of it. Let me show you that. And I go in with a little bit of spice because I don't want it to be so plain. I prefer a cardamom. There are people who prefer cinnamon and stuff. So for me, I prefer cardamom. Just a little bit of it. Make sure all the ingredients mix well. And we go in with our flour. Mix them well, guys, so that you don't have lumps of flour in them. I think it's well mixed. get rid of these things around here. Make my space, making space easier. Can also like taste to see if the sugar is too much or it's enough. It's fine, guys. So what I'll do, because sometimes most people don't like too much sugar, so what you can do, or what I basically do myself, is I add in like a little bit of salt, because the margarine, remember, has a bit of salt. So if you can feel the sugar is too much, you can add just a little bit of salt to kill the sugar, or what can we call it, to just like reduce, just like a pinch, guys, a pinch like this, to try and just kill that too sugary feeling, because most people are not sugar fans. I am a sugar fan, so personally I don't mind, but other people might do. I think this is fine. So you can let it rest for like 10 minutes, and then you come in and then try to mix it again and then start cooking. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So as it's waiting on the side, you can get your pan ready. So I'm using this pan. That's my gas. So I'll move you guys closer to. Guys, I've changed my pan because the other one is a bit slanted, so it's, the oil is running away to one side, I mean. So I've used my chapati pan because it's very flat and the oil, like, it's in the middle and well distributed. So let's use this one. The other one wasn't working. So preferably use a flat pan. It's easier and better than a deep and like slanted. Unfortunately, this is a not a non-stick, so make sure it doesn't stick down. I'm done, guys. So guys, that is my final look and presentation. It looks so yummy. So I like to use it's called what, pancake syrup. For those who know what it is, it makes the pancakes so sweet. So I'm hiding the brand. I don't want you guys to see the brand, but you can inbox me for more information. So that's how it looks. So guys, there you go, pancakes for breakfast. Hope they look yummy. Comment down below if you